It's time to check in with Approved Home Pros.
Upgrade the energy efficiency of your windows without replacing them. Greg McKay from NewView Window Films is here to explain how adding a simple film can have a huge impact. Greg, thanks so much for joining me today.
Thank you for having me.
We're talking about solar films, and they get applied right to your existing windows. How do they reduce the heat that comes in?
Well, they reflect the heat out, reflect the harmful rays out and the heat.
And it's a really non-invasive procedure.
No, not at all. Not
To
at
sound
all.
medical
Yeah.
about it. So we're talking about lots of different options. How much impact can it have on the reduction of heat coming in?
Well, the lighter one that you're holding up there will reduce up to 50% of the heat from coming through. And the darker one, you're going to get about 84% of the heat from entering the room.
Which it sounds really impressive. What does that mean in degrees? Or what am I going to feel in the room?
You're going to feel about a 10 to 15 degree reduction in your room.
Which is huge.
Yes.
Especially when we're talking about the clearer film, which you'll never even notice. It's essentially invisible when we put it on the window, right?
Exactly, yes.
So we're seeing the reduction in degrees in the room, which is going to save us on our utility bills, help our energy efficiency in the home. Of course, every home is different, and there's some other factors that go into that. But how does NewView help us choose the right film for our needs?
Well, we'll come out and do a free consultation. We'll ask the consumer what their needs are, what they're trying to accomplish by having window films applied. And then we'll make a determination and then leave a few samples behind for them to look at and give them some pricing.
So depending on the films that we end up choosing, there might be some fringe benefits that go along with it. You mentioned privacy with the darker film that we saw earlier, but also, you know, the UV rays are being blocked, and those are the damaging rays that come in and, you know, fade the furniture, fade the family photographs.
Yes, UV rays are huge. That's what leads to premature fading of your wood floors, your couches, your brand new couches, your drapes. So you want to protect all that while your windows are open.
And how much of the UV rays are blocked by all of these films?
99.9%.
So we're talking essentially every harmful UV ray that's out there is being blocked from coming into your home when you add these window films, which is going to preserve those family photographs and your hardwood floors, anything that you care about inside your home, you want to preserve it.
Exactly.
And this is a very affordable home improvement. What's your average job?
Average price would be about $700 to $800 for a home.
And we're talking no construction. So upgrade your windows today without construction with these heat-reducing films from NewView. Call 619-663-3664. You can find NewView and many other top pros at ApprovedHomePros.com.